Mastering, Never Mind, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common but sometimes confusing English phrase, never mind. Understanding this phrase is key to sounding natural in English conversations. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some practical examples. Never mind is a versatile phrase used in various contexts. Primarily, it means to disregard a previous statement or question. It's often used when the speaker decides that what they said is not important, or they no longer wish to pursue the topic. For example, if someone asks a question but then figures out the answer, they might say, "Never mind, I got it." In everyday conversation, never mind can have different nuances. It's used to 1. Cancel a request. If someone asks for help but then solves the problem themselves, they might say, "Never mind, I figured it out." 2. Show irritation or resignation. Sometimes, it's used when the speaker is frustrated or gives up explaining something. For example, "Never mind, it's not important." 3. Indicate a change of topic. It can signal a shift in conversation, as in, "Never mind that, have you heard about the new movie?" Non-native speakers often confuse "never mind" with phrases like "don't worry" or "forget about it." While they can be similar, never mind is more about dismissing one's own statement, rather than comforting someone else or asking them to disregard something. In some cultures, using "never mind" can seem abrupt or rude. It's important to understand the tone and context. In a friendly tone, it's usually harmless, but a sharp or dismissive tone can seem rude. Understanding "never mind" is a great step in mastering conversational English. It's a phrase that reflects the speaker's thought process and can help you navigate social interactions more smoothly. Hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English conversations. Happy learning!